Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you my evening kitchen cleaning routine. So just a few points to point out is at this time when I shot this video, my dishwasher was broken, so I had to hand wash a lot of dishes. Now saying that, my husband and my kids had washed their own plates from dinner, so there wasn't that much to wash. So right now I'm just, what you can see is I'm putting away the leftovers. I made some chili, so I was just freezing it for next time and putting a batch in the fridge for tomorrow's lunch. So first thing usually that I do after dinner is I clean up the food. Once the food is cleaned up, I start from one end to the other and I try putting stuff away or things by the sink to be washed or put into the dishwasher when it's working. Once that's done, I empty the either the dishwasher if needs to be emptied, or the side of the dishes that were drying in a sink, and I put all those away. And then once all that is done, I start with washing dishes. So once all the dishes are washed, I just wipe down the stove depending on how much cleaning it needs. Usually just a microfiber cloth, wet microfiber cloth will do the job, and I go around and I wipe all the appliances, and I also dry the dishes. I usually follow up with a after the microfiber cloth for the appliances, I follow up with a polishing cloth. They're all from Norwex. So over here I'm just putting away, I am defrosting some meat for tomorrow and the next day, so I am putting that stuff away because you can finish defrosting in the fridge. So once the sink is all empty, I rinse it out and I add baking soda with a few drops of lemon essential oil, and then I just scrub it, scrub the little lids, stoppers or whatever they're called, and then rinse everything out, and then I usually wipe it some more and polish it off with the polishing cloth. I love using the lemon essential oil, it just makes things smell so good. After the sink is done, I clean the counters with mixture of water and vinegar, and I just wipe all the areas down. Once all the surfaces in the kitchen are clean, I like to go over to my diffuser and usually diffuse some sort of citrus smell, because I do find that if I cook smelly food, it does clean the air quite well and makes it smell nice. And then I finish off with vacuuming the floor. I usually use my stick vacuum, but this one was downstairs, so I just use this one. And then on Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays, I usually run a mop, just a Norwex, one of those Norwex mops with just water and the EnviroCloth, and I just wipe down the floor in the kitchen and the hallways and by the sliding door. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new, I would love for you to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.